Our friend Cinda Seamon, a fire and life educator with the Hilton Head Fire and Rescue, is back, and today she is here to discuss car seat safety. So Cinda, let's talk about what the chances are that someone will actually successfully install a car seat in their car, because I know it's not an easy thing to do.
Exactly, and really the chances are pretty low that every part of it will be done right. They say 9 out of 10 car seats are installed incorrectly. It could be whether it's the tether, the straps, the seat belt, the latch, the aftermarket products. There are so many things that make it not 100% correct.
And so why do you think they make it so difficult for us to do this?
Well, I think it's because there are so many makes and models of cars and so many different kinds of car seats. I don't think it's meant to be made hard, but it is very difficult. There are lots of things to consider. Even the way that a car seat is in the back of a car, the slant of it, if we can get the angle correct. Are we using latch? Are we using seat belt? Do we need to use a tether? Is it rear facing, forward facing? There are so many considerations, and I think that's what makes it seem so difficult.
Yeah, absolutely. So how do you at Hilton Head Fire and Rescue offer assistance to people who are trying to install them correctly?
Well, twice a month we do offer free car seat installations and inspections by certified car seat techs. We will help educate people. Not only will we teach them how to install their car seat, but we'll talk to them about the aftermarket products. Anything that they put on that car seat that didn't come with it has not been crash tested and is really not okay to use. We talk to them about that. We show them how to make sure those seats are tight enough. We talk to them about the latest laws. For example, it's now rear facing up to 2 years old. That's fairly new. We make sure that they're comfortable with the harness on the child. Is it at the right height on the child's chest? Is it tight enough? There are so many things that we can talk to them about and show them and get them involved in the process that they'll feel much more comfortable about the way their car seat is installed.
And you can also share with them when their car seat expires, is that correct?
Right. Most people don't know that car seats expire, and they do. Usually about 6 or 7 years, and some of the car seat manufacturers now will actually put an expiration date on the car seat. With the belts, getting weak after time, the plastic becoming weak, there's a lot of things that add to the expiration date of a car seat.
And we have about 30 seconds left, but I know you wanted to mention your pancake breakfast, so tell us about that.
I sure do. We have a fire prevention pancake breakfast. We do it every year. It's open to the public. It's free of charge. We'll have lots of learning stations, fire extinguisher training, calling 911, lots of things, station tours, and it is located at Station 4, which is on Squire Pope Road, across from Dockside and Boathouse, open to the public October 6th, 9 to 12:30.
Thanks for being with us, Cinda. It's always great information. After the break, football highlights and more on the 278 Corridor Project. Stay with us.